Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HTC Desire 6 to 8 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all you have to do in order to turn off running apps is to enter the recent, and you can do it just by tapping on this let's say double square icon which will open the recent. So simply tap on it and here we've got the section we are looking for, and those are all apps which I've previously opened before I started the recording. So all you have to do, you can do it using two different ways. If you'd like to close only one of those apps, just find it here and swipe it up just like that, and as you can see it disappears, so it means that we just closed it. But if you'd like to close all of them, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right here at the very top and we just go back to the home page. So let's enter the recents, and here we've got no recent apps, which means that obviously we just successfully turned off all of them. So actually this is it. This is how to turn off running apps in your HTC Desire 6 to 8. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.